Hello everyone and welcome back to Camera OS TV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Canon R6. So today I have the Canon R6 here with the 24 to 105 millimeter kit lens. I say kit because while this lens is included in a kit, it's a really good lens that handles a really nice range of focal lengths. Canon does offer this as a body only as well if you have other lenses already or if you just don't want this lens. This combo is a great everyday lens or a go-to lens for events and videography. The Canon R6 features a 20 megapixel full frame sensor paired up with a Digic X processor that allows you to have a base ISO of 100. The ISO does go up to 102,400, extended out to 204,800. The camera does boast an impressive 12 frames per second in mechanical shutter and up to 20 frames per second in electronic continuous shutter. The camera feels really nice in the hands and it balances really nicely with the 24-105. I'm really happy to see that the screen flips out as it's really versatile for those, especially if you plan on doing this for video. Speaking of video, the camera is capable of shooting up to 4K 60 frames per second and 1080 at 120 frames per second. This does record at H.265, 422, 10-bit, or H.264, 420, 8-bit. The dual pixel AF with over 1,000 autofocus points is going to do a great job of keeping your subjects in focus in both stills and video modes. I'm really happy to see that this camera takes dual UHS-II SD card slots. This allows you to shoot backup redundancy to both cards without any risk of slowdowns to the buffer. I'm also really happy to see that this camera has USB-C, which allows you to transfer files directly off the camera really fast, and more importantly, the ability to charge the camera while using it. In addition to the USB-C port, you also have a 3.5mm headphone jack and a 3.5mm microphone jack. The camera does take advantage of a new version of the LPE6, the LPE6NH. The new battery features about 14% more battery life than the previous version. As always, you can hit the link down below to be taken over to CameraOS.com where you can find out more information on this camera as well as place an order. Well, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to continue to see great content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We'd love to hear what you think about this camera, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. You can also reach out to any of our locations if you have any questions. My name is Adam, and I'll see you next time.